Today we are going to start with a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Parts and Wholes. Now first we are going to start with the fractions, which we already done in 4th standard also. So let's revise. Now here the first circle which is given to you, it has been divided into two equal parts. That means there are two equal parts, and how much is shaded? Only one part is shaded. So whichever shaded part we have to write in the numerator, and total number of division we have to write in the denominator. So what will be the fraction? 1 upon 2. So 1, it shows the shaded part, and denominator 2 shows that the circle has been divided into two equal halves. Now same way we will go to the next one. Now here the circle is being divided into three equal parts. So how many is being shaded? Only one is being shaded. So the fraction will be 1 upon 3. Now just give the answer for the next one. It is, yes, 1 upon 4. Next one. Now here the shaded portion is 3. 3 parts are shaded. So it will be 3 upon 4. Now we will go down. Here the full circle is being shaded, so it is a whole. That is 1 upon 1. So answer will come 1, because the whole circle is being shaded. Now the next one, 1 upon 2. Third one, 1 upon 4. And the last one will be 3 upon 4. Now we are going to write the fractions for these given circles. Now the first one. So here the circle is divided into 6 equal halves and only 4 are shaded. So the answer will be 4 upon 6, because the shaded part will come on top, that is numerator, and in the denominator the total number of equal parts, that is 6. The next one. Shaded portion is 2, so the 2 upon 3 will come. Next one, 4 upon 6. Now try to give the answer for the next one. It will be, yes, 1 upon 6. Then the next one will be 2 upon 6. Very good. And the next one, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 2. Yes, the next one will be 1 upon 4. Now the 2 part is shaded, so 2 upon 4, and the last one will be 3 upon 6. Now the question is, circle the shapes that show half. So here different shapes are given. Whoever's answer is half, that you have to circle. Now first one, here the circle is given, it is divided into 3 equal parts and all the parts are being shaded. So that means 3 upon 3 is the answer. 3 upon 3 comes to 1. So the answer for this first figure is not half. Then we will go to the next one. Now the next figure, here the rectangle has been divided into 2 equal halves and only one is shaded. So the fraction is 1 upon 2. Yes. So that means we have to draw a circle around it, because it gives the result half. Now same way, now you have to give the answer which shapes are giving the result half. So what about the next oval shape? Whether its result is half? Yes. So we are going to draw a circle around it. What about this triangle? Yes, here also 2 equal halves are there and only one part is being shaded. So it also gives the result half, fraction. Now the next one. Now here there is a rectangle. It has been divided into 3 equal parts and only one is shaded. The result of this rectangle will be 1 upon 3. So this one is the not required answer. Here we want 1 upon 2, that is half. So this will not do. Now we will go to this next rectangle. Here one part is being shaded green and it is divided into two equal halves. So whether this one giving the answer half fraction? Yes. So that means we have to put a circle around this rectangle also. And the last one is the star. Now the star is been also divided into two equal halves. Here also the answer comes to 1 upon 2. So these are the figures which give the result 1 upon 2. Only two figures whose result is not 1 upon 2. What fraction does the colored part show? Here 4 figures are given and you have to write the answer in the box. First they done. Here 4 equal parts are given of the rectangle and 3 are being shaded. So shaded part will come on the numerator and the denominator will be the total number of divisions. So shaded part is 3, so numerator is 3 and denominator will come 4. So the fraction is 3 upon 4. Now the next one. Here rectangle is divided into 8 equal parts and 4 are being shaded. 4 or 5 are being shaded? 5 are being shaded. So in the numerator 5 will come and in the denominator 8 will come. So the answer is 5 upon 8. Next, in a triangle, it is divided into 3 equal parts. 2 are shaded. So 2 will come in the numerator and 3 will come in the denominator. So the fraction is 2 upon 3. Now try to give the answer for the next one. What will be the answer? Yes, it will be 1 upon 3. For the next one, yes, the answer will be 5 upon 6. For the last one, yes, 2 upon 3. Very nice. Now we are going to learn something new in this class. It is type of fractions. So there are total 6 type of fractions and we are going to learn them one by one. What is the difference between all these fractions? That we will see one by one. So first one is like fractions, number 2 unlike fractions, number 3 unit fractions, number 4 proper fractions, 5 is improper fractions, 6 is mixed fractions. Now we will start with the first one, like fractions. What it means? Fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. That means the denominator should be same. So just see one example, then you will understand. Now here just see, here 3 fractions are given, 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4. Here all the 3 fractions having the denominator same, that is 4, 4, 4. Numerator is different, it doesn't matter, but only the denominator should be same. So that fractions are known as like fractions. Now we will go to the next one, second, unlike fractions. So fractions with different denominators. Just see one example. Here 3 fractions are given, 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 4. Now here all the denominators are different. In first one it is 2, then 3, then 4. Denominators are not same. Only we have to see the denominators. So these are unlike fractions. Number 3, union fractions. Union means 1. The fraction with numerator 1. Here the numerator should be 1. Denominator may be any number, but the numerator should be 1. Example, 1 upon 2 1 upon 4, 1 upon 8, 1 upon 16. So here numerator is 1. That means it is a union fractions. Fourth, proper fractions. Now the proper fractions means the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Here the example is given 3 upon 5. Now the numerator is 3 and denominator is 5. So 3 is smaller number and denominator 5 is bigger. So whenever the numerator is smaller number and the denominator is the bigger number, then it is known as the proper fractions. Now all the examples of proper fractions are given, like 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 10, 7 upon 10. So these all are the examples of proper fractions. Fifth, improper fractions. It is just opposite of proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is greater than its denominator. So here the numerator is greater than the denominator. Just see one example. Example is given 5 upon 2. So here 5 is the larger number than the 2. So denominator here is the smaller number and the numerator is the bigger number. So it is a improper fractions. Sixth one, mixed fractions. Combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Now here the examples are given. Now first one, 1 3 upon 4. So here 1 is the whole number, 3 upon 4 is the fraction. So combination of 1 and 3 upon 4 together is known as the mixed fraction. So we always have to first convert this mixed fraction into proper fraction. So how we are going to convert? Let's see. We have to multiply 4 into 1, that is denominator, with this whole number. So when we are multiplying 4 into 1, we get answer 4. And then we have to multiply this answer with the numerator. So here the answer is 4 plus numerator is 3. So 4 plus 3 comes to 7. So that answer we are going to write in the numerator, 7 upon 4. 4 is the denominator. Denominator will remain same. You don't have to change the denominator. Now try for the next one. Same way we have to do. Here the mixed fraction is 1 3 upon 8. So let's see how we are going to find out. So here the denominator is 8. So 8 multiplied by 1. It comes to 8 ones are 8. So your answer is 8. Now plus the numerator, that is 3. So 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. This answer you are going to write on the top, that is in the numerator, and the denominator will remain same, 8. So your proper fraction will be 11 upon 8. Now same way you do it for the third one. So here also when we will find out, so we will get the answer 25 upon 16. So this one is improper fraction because here the numerator is 25, that is the bigger number, and the denominator is 16, that is the smaller number. Now all these answers which we got, they all are improper fractions because here the numerators are bigger than the denominators. So these are the different types of fractions which we done today. So just revise it, and you have to be well prepared with this type of fractions, then only you will be able to solve the problems which are in the textbook.